What's up guys, Unboxing with D here. I'm going to show you how to install the EGV screen protector. Got it off of Amazon. It was $11.99 I think. I'll post a link to it in this video. So first you're going to start with number 1. Everything's labeled 1, 2, go to this, go to the applicator. So I'll start with number 1. This is the film screen protector. I do have my white sum dome glass coming, and I'll do a video on that one as soon as that gets in. But first just gonna go ahead and clean really good. Now to the drying cloth, I don't use it because it's really flimsy and thin. I use like a glasses cloth or whatever microfiber cloth you have. I want to go ahead and just wipe that down all the way. Get that nice and wiped down. Install the applicator. Goes right into the charging port. Dust sticker, most important. Because I don't know about you, but I hate when I get like lint or something stuck under my screen. Worst thing ever. But if you do have that happen, this is a 3-pack. Let's go ahead and go all the way across. Make sure you get everything. Okay, once you have all that done, go ahead and screen protector. Looks like this. Holes to line up with the applicator. Down here at the bottom, simply push it in. Applicator allows it to line up perfectly. Take your squeegee. You're just going to simply pull up. Using the squeegee, go ahead and slide that up. You're going to do the same thing for the bottom. Go ahead and take the applicator off. It's going to stay perfect. Alright, once you have that done, you're going to go ahead and peel the film. The sides, you kind of got to go in there and do those. Just simply run it along the side on each side. I always go ahead and get my wet cloth one more time. Go ahead and clean this off. And there you have it. Real easy, simple, it's on there. And this does work with fingerprint. Fast, responsive. And there you have it, good to go. I'll post a link in the video.